Oh, Brayden, you're going to fall right into the thing. What are you doing, Anya?
That was fun.
Oops, I can't do that. What are you doing, Anya?
Making a trail.
Wow. Hey, Mira, can you stand up for a second? What are you doing over there?
There's something good about this. We definitely are not going to have school for a week or two.
A week or two, you think?
It's going to snow on Tuesday and Wednesday, too.
I see.
Wow! Dang it.
So it's still pretty coming down, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Pumpkin. Wanna go outside? Okay, I'll open the door for you. All right, here we go. You wanna go outside? Where are you gonna go? Oh my goodness! Maybe that's not such a good idea, Pumpkin. You give up. What's that?
We should just driven to Miami on Friday.
Uh-huh. Watch the Super Bowl?
Yeah. Or at least just enjoy the sun.
Yep.
And then this place is going to be snowed in for a week. We'll just come back. Hire
Yeah.
somebody to shovel out the driveway.
So is that your car underneath there?
Yeah.
This looks like fun.
All snow. We had this much snow in Indiana since like 76.
I don't think so. Did we have this much snow in 76? Yeah.
That's crazy.
I remember not being able to get outside. So
Brayden, let me in there.
halfway up the door.
Brayden, by your feet, there's a hole. Well, dig at
So what are you guys doing here?
them niggas.
Whoa. Oh. See, I need to have a an umbrella. Are you guys getting through?
I'm digging down to the grass. Watch the whole thing. Really what the heck? I'm gonna dig from your side. Go to the other side. You got the first hole. Whoa. Are you serious? I was like, oh, what the heck? I was like, what's this? No, I was like this. Watch this. Walking along, walking along, walking along. Whoa!
This is kind of takes the cake.
Check it out. Oh, Brain, look how deep it is.
And more coming.
Mom, mine's not that deep.
Oops, I better cover my camera.